In this section of today's class, we talked about cell division. You should be familiar with the notion of DNA replication. At least you've heard of it and you understand the outcome. You should be familiar with the term mitosis and understand the two processes that are occurring during this type of cell division. And you should be familiar with meiosis, a kind of complicated cell division that leads to formation of the germ cells. What we've done in class today is to talk about three big topics that have to do with the cell and its chemistry. We talked about cellular chemistry and the notion of some thermodynamic parameters that govern cellular reactions. We talked about the organization of the cell and what it contains. And we talked about cell division, one of the huge basic processes of life.